So, dear student, today we will be discussing about Fourier series and Fourier transform, which is very easy, but it might appear difficult if you are going for the first time. Okay, so I'll make sure that this is pretty much very easy and you will get full marks in this particular engineering examination in this module. So I'll be telling you all the shortcut tricks and everything, so it will be easy for you. Let me just share screen. Yeah. So as you can see here, correct. So before telling you the formulas and everything, I will just go with the basics first, correct. There is something called odd function and even function. Let me just, yeah. So can you see here f of x is equal to pi minus x by 2? This is one question, and second question is f of x is equal to x square. I'll go with this question just to explain odd and even, then I'll come back to the first question. So f of x is equal to x square, correct. So what is my f of minus x? Minus x also equal to what? Minus x the whole square, which is nothing but x square. So in both the cases, my x is looking like n, okay? Yeah. But actually it is x only. In both the cases, f of x is equal to f of minus x. Correct? Because both the values are what? X square. So hence it is what function? Even function. So if f of x is equal to f of minus x, it is what? Even function. Now I'll go to the first question. Yeah. So here f of x is pi minus x by 2. Correct? But what about my f of minus x? That is, instead of x, I'll put minus x. So minus minus plus pi plus x by 2. Correct? So what happens in this is, in this question, f of x is equal to what? Minus of f of minus x. So it is an odd function. So what function is this? Odd function. So this is the shortcut which I want to tell you. First thing is identify whether it is an odd function or even function. Now, can you see here one big formula? F of x is equal to a naught by 2, sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n x and all, and b n sin n x, correct? You can see a big formula here. I'll just zoom it so it'll be easy for you. Yeah. Since I told you it is what function? Odd function. Okay. If it is an odd function, this a naught and a n value will be equal to 0. Okay, a naught and a n value will be equal to 0. So I have to only find what? Bn. So you can save a lot of your time and you'll get the full mark also. You'll get the full mark too in the examination. Okay, yeah. Now coming to this, the formula. So the Fourier series is basically for every problem is a naught by 2 sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n x plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity b n sin n x. Correct? The a naught formula is what? 1 by pi. Integral 0 to 2 pi. 1 by pi is constant. Integral 0 to 2 pi from the question only you'll get. As you can see, you can see my mouse arrow. 0 to x to 2 pi. So 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi. F of x dot dx. Okay, f of x is nothing but the question, what they given. Pi minus x by 2. Correct? So what I told you the answer? 0. Directly put down 0. So you'll save a lot of your time. Okay, an. An, what is the thing? 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi. F of x into cos n x dx. What is f of x? Pi minus x by 2. Okay, pi minus, that's in the question. F of x is pi minus x by 2. In the question, you can just go back, you'll get it. Then cos n x dx. So just like we have by parts in class 12, in engineering, we got something called Bernoulli's rule. Okay, so I'll tell you what it is. This is basically, this is my first function. This is my second function, right? First function, you put it as it is. Then integrate second function. What is cos nx integration? Sin nx by n. Sin nx by n minus differentiation of first function. What is pi minus x differentiation? Pi is 0 and x is minus 1. So minus 1 into integrate this one. Which one? Sin nx by n. What is integral of sin nx? Minus cos nx by n. So minus cos nx by n square. Then put the limit 0 to 2 pi. And you can see here the minus, right? It's always alternate minus and plus. Okay, then one more time you differentiate 1. What is differentiate 1? 0. That is the reason you can't find any term this side. But already what is the clue I told you? Since it is an odd function, what is the answer? 0. Directly put 0 without doing any other thing. Okay, substitute and put the value 0. That's all. So I'm actually making it very easy for you. Next thing, Bn. What is the formula? 1 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. F of x is question, pi minus x by 2 into sin nx dx. Okay, again by Bernoulli's rule. First function, put it as integral of sin nx is minus cos nx by n. Correct? Minus differentiation of first function, minus 1. And integral of cos nx is sin nx by n. So n into n square I'll get. N into n square I'll get. Then put 0 to pi. We all know one thing. Sin n pi is 0. Sin n pi is 0. Correct? Cos 2 pi value is what? 1. Okay, sin n pi is 0, which means sin 2 pi, sin 0, sin 3 pi, everything is what? 0 only. So you need not even do this. Only do cos terms. Because it is 0. Pi minus x cos nx 0 to 2 pi plus 0. Okay, here again put 2 pi in place of x. So I'll get what? Pi minus 2 pi is minus pi. Cos nx will be cos 2n pi. So what is 2n pi? Cos 2n pi is what? I just now told you it is 1. So I'll get minus pi minus 2 pi. So minus 2 pi minus minus plus will come. Then 2 pi is cancel it. So I'll get 1 by n. That's all. Then in the main equation, the first equation as you found out, right? I told you, no? Here, this equation. This equation, substitute the value of bn. That's all. Done. Then they ask you to find the reduction thing in this and obtain the formula. So can you see here pi by 4? What I'll get? Pi by 4. If I put the x value as pi by 2, I'll get what? Pi by 4. Which means pi minus pi by 2. By 2 is what? Pi by 4. So put x value as pi by 4 and write down the series. That's all. Again, here also we have to use smart work, not the hard work. So that's what coming in the below also. Okay, you'll get the entire. No need to do the hard work like this. Just put x is equal to pi by 2, write down the question as it is. Next question, f of x is equal to what? X square. So x square, as I told you, it is the even function. The trick. The first question was odd function. The second question is what? Even function. Even function, what is the condition? F of x is equal to f of minus x. So the trick here is simple. There, what was 0? A naught and an was 0 in odd function. In this question, bn value will be 0. So you need not even calculate Bn. See here, Bn value is what? 0. No need to do this thing. Clear? Yes. So again, write on the same equation. 1 by pi you write and see the question, what is the limit? Here the limit is minus pi to plus pi. Put minus pi to plus pi f of x. F of x is what? X square. Correct? And I think if you know how to use calculator, use calculator. Or else if you don't know how to use calculator, integrate it. X square is nothing but what? X cube by 3. Minus pi to pi. Upper limit minus lower limit. We'll be getting 2 pi cube by 3 pi. Okay, that is nothing but a naught. You can see here a naught by 2 they are written. That is because here it is a naught by 2 in the question. This one. That's the reason they have written like that. You can just leave it by 2 pi square by 3. This one you can leave it. Then what is my an? 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. F of x is x square. Then you put cos nx dx. Then what will you do? Apply Bernoulli's rule. What is it? First function x square. Put it as it is into integral of second function. Cos nx integral is what? Sin nx by n. Integral of cos nx is sin nx by n. Minus differentiation of first function. What is x square integration? Differentiation 2x into integral of the previous function. What is sin integral? Minus cos nx by n. So n into n, n square. Then differentiate what? Minus 2x. That is alternate minus and plus. So differentiate 2x is what? 2. Then integrate this cos nx by n square. What will get? Cos nx is sin nx by n. Correct? And that minus sign also, you have to put it as it is here. That is this thing by n cube. And minus pi to pi. And one more big thing is what? Wherever sign is there, don't do anything. So that is 0. So just do only what? Cos. Okay. Just do only cos. So put cos n pi. Cos n pi value, I told you, it is 1 only. So pi plus pi, cos 2 pi. And one more thing is cos n pi value, which you should know. Cos n pi value is nothing but minus 1 whole power n. This is studied in class 11th, which we might have forgotten. Cos n pi is nothing but what? Minus 1 whole power n. Clear? And here, again, cos n pi value minus 1 whole power n. 2 into 2, 4. Pi and pi get cancelled. That's it. Cos n pi value is minus 1 whole power n. That's all. And a. Okay, bn value, don't do it. Directly put 0. That's it. So you can save a lot of time. Engineering, again, teachers need the final answer. And then substitute all of these values in the main equation. In the first equation. That's it. So I still remember while taking this Fourier series and Fourier transform for the very first time, for solving one problem only, it took me 2 hours, okay, to explain to the students. Okay, but that was somewhere around 10 years back, not now. So I hope you understood. I have told in a very simple fashion. Okay, but practice is required to increase the speed. So thank you and wish you all the best.